All right. We're gonna fly the fan jet. I've already flown it, or the Jet 3. I flew it yesterday and my camera was in 5K, so I couldn't post it. So we're gonna do it again. I'll post that video as soon as I figure out how. But we're gonna do it again. I've already put a bigger fan on it. 6 blade, 70 millimeter fan. Yesterday's was a little underpowered. I had to use flaps to get off the ground. Had one nice little off the runway incursion, which you'll see as soon as I figure out how to upload it. All right, so here goes nothing. Oh yeah, that's way better. That's hands off now that I got the up trim in it. A little too much up. Oh yeah, flaps. There we go, that might help. There we go.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Well, it just wants to climb. Got to move that battery forward. I left it back a little ways. Just we need to move it forward on the next flight. That motor's bigger, so it's a little heavier back there too. Wow.
30 seconds.
That thing really tumbles good. All right, flaps down. Let's do this.
20 seconds.
Gotta move the battery forward.
Timer expired.
Alright. You can see that big heavy motor sticking out the back right there. That's why it's tail heavy now. Let's see what the battery's got left. timed it for 3 minutes. It's never enough time. Set this thing down so you can see. %, still, so we could have gone a good 4 minutes easily. All right, well, I'm going to make some adjustments and fly it again.